Good morning, dear students. In today's class, the topic is what's the need of FFT algorithm, what are the types of FFT algorithm, and how FFT algorithm makes the computation of DFT faster. Coming to the first point, need of FFT algorithm. The direct computation of n-point DFT involves n square complex multiplications and n minus 1 complex additions. To reduce the computational complexity, FFT algorithm is required. So need of FFT algorithm is to reduce the computational complexity of computation of DFTs. Coming to the formulas for direct computation of DFT and FFT algorithm, the number of complex additions required in direct method is n dot n minus 1. Coming to FFT, it is n log n to the base 2. Number of complex multiplications required using direct DFT is n square. Coming to FFT, it is n by 2 log n to the base 2. By substituting n values as 4, 8, 16 and seeing what are the complex additions and multiplications required using direct DFT and FFT, we find that the complex additions and multiplications required in FFT are very less compared to direct DFT. What is Twiddle factor? Twiddle factor is denoted by Wn. It is a complex valued phase factor and is expressed as Wn is equal to e to the power minus j 2 pi by capital N. How FFT improves the speed of computation? It's based on special properties of Twiddle factor. What is Twiddle factor? E to the power of minus j 2 pi by capital N. What are the two basic properties, special properties of Twiddle factor? One is symmetry property, other one is periodicity property. Symmetry property states that Wn base n power is k plus n by 2 is coming to be as minus of w to the base n to the power k. Coming to periodicity property, w base n to the power k plus n is written as Wn to the power k. Coming to the two basic classes of FFT algorithms, they are decimation in time, DIT algorithm, and decimation in frequency, that is DIF FFT algorithm. So what we have understood in this class is FFT algorithm makes the computation of DFT faster because of less number of complex additions and multiplications required using FFT, and it is the computation speed is improved due to the symmetry property and periodicity property of the Twiddle factor. The two basic classes of FFT algorithms are DIT and DIF algorithm. Thank you.